In this video, I'll show you how to export Microsoft Planner data. Exporting Planner data is useful when you want to create reports, save a backup, analyze tasks in Excel, share progress with managers, or keep a record of your project outside Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365 in your web browser. You can also access your plan from Microsoft Teams, but exporting is usually easier from the full Planner web app. Once Planner opens, select the plan you want to export. Make sure you are in the correct plan, especially if your team has several boards with similar names. Next, look near the top of the plan for the three dots or More Options menu. Click that menu, then choose Export Plan to Excel. If this option is available, Planner will download an Excel file to your computer. Now open the downloaded Excel file. You should see your Planner task data organized in rows and columns. The file may include information such as task name, bucket, progress, priority, assigned person, created date, start date, due date, completed date, labels, checklist items, and task descriptions. From here, you can format the spreadsheet however you like. You can adjust column widths, add filters, sort by due date, group by assigned person, or create charts to show project progress. If you do not see the export option, check whether you are using the full Planner web app instead of only the Teams tab. You may also need the right permissions for that plan. For more advanced exports, you can use Power Automate, Microsoft Graph, or reporting tools like Power BI. These options are helpful if you want automatic reports, recurring exports, or data from multiple Planner plans. You can also manually copy information from Planner if you only need a simple list. Switch to a grid or list-style view if available, then copy the visible task details into Excel or another document. Before sharing exported data, review the file carefully. Planner exports may include names, comments, task details, deadlines, and project information that could be sensitive. That's how to export Microsoft Planner data and use it for reporting, backups, or analysis. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.